Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Julia. Today I'm back with another new recipe of mine, which is chicken roast. I've got 1 kg 200 grams of chicken. I've even made the pocket so that all the masala gets into it nicely. I've washed it and had kept it separately for around half an hour so that it will dry out. So let's get started. Half teaspoon of salt. Just put it in the front and back a little bit. Mix this well so that it gets into the chicken nicely. We'll have salt here, some pepper, mix this in well. Ginger garlic paste with green chilies, 1 teaspoon. 1.5 teaspoon in front. Let's put it into this well. And at the back as well. We'll mix it in nicely. Onion paste, 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of onion paste. Let's mix this nicely. I will squeeze 1 lime into it. Turn it over. Squeezing a little lime at the back as well. I will add a little Worcestershire sauce, which is good for making roast. 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Mix it in well. 1 more teaspoon at the back as well. Mix it in well. I will add just a little chili sauce, that's optional, around 1 teaspoon of chili sauce. Mix it both sides. Add a little tomato sauce. Mix this both sides. Half teaspoon of oregano, this is optional. Mix it on both sides and mix it in well. Half teaspoon of oregano, this is even optional. Mix it in. I will drizzle a little bit of refined oil on both sides. Mix it in nicely, just a little. Yeah. Now this is marinated well. I will cover it and keep it for approximately 2 hours. Meanwhile, I will start off with the stuffing. So come, let's get started with that while this is resting. Butter into it. Let's add the butter first. Spoon of butter, 1 small chopped onion, let this fry well. Two medium-sized boiled potato I will add into this. It up. Just a little oregano, chili flakes, just a little pepper, a little salt, a little ketchup. Now mix it all very well together, and this stuffing we will be putting inside the chicken. I will show you. It's smelling delicious and it will taste delicious as well. If you wish to, you can add more vegetables I have just added carrots, potatoes and onions. You can even add peas, cauliflower or any other vegetable if you wish to, capsicum. So the stuffing is ready to stuff into the chicken. I will add a little bit of shredded cheese as well, that's optional. I will shred some cheese into this, just grate it in. It's up to you if you want to put cheese or don't want to put cheese, just for a lovely cheesy taste. So I have added the cheese to the mixture, as you can see. Now into the chicken, inside here, I would be adding the filling in. So come, let's start. Here, add the filling inside the chicken well. All the veggies. Even I would be adding a little bit more butter inside and outside as well, both sides. Now I would need to tie the legs up. So just tie this up carefully. It's a little bit hard, but you have to do it well. Now separately for the potatoes, which I would require at the ending for having it with the roast. First, in a karai I will put a little bit of butter, around half teaspoon of butter. Paste. First I'll put into the butter. I have put 5 teaspoons of onion paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste with green chilies, half teaspoon salt, a little pepper, tomato ketchup, a little bit, around 1 tablespoon, Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon, half teaspoon soya sauce. Mix this all up. Keep mixing this well till the rawness of the ginger, garlic and everything has come out. Add a little water if required. I have added little bit more butter and just a little sugar and mix it. Now in this thick texture, I would add the boiled potatoes, which I had cut separately. Mix this well. Now let's turn off the flame and start off with the roast preparation. I have put up a pressure. Now let this heat and then I will add the sugar. I have added 3 tablespoons of sugar, little bit water. So, yeah, this is how. Now I will add the rest of the paste. Onion paste, remaining of the onion paste. One tablespoon of green chilies with ginger garlic paste. I have added the green chilies with ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of butter. Add a dash of water. Just that's it. A little chili flakes. Little oregano. Half teaspoon Worcestershire sauce. Half teaspoon soya sauce. just half teaspoon of salt. Now mix this all up well. Now I will add the chicken into the gravy. I have added a little bit of cheese into the chicken. That's optional for you. Yeah. So let's mix this up well. Now I will cover this on low flame for approximately 20 to 25 minutes and remove the whistle from the cover as well, and then I will show you ultimately. You can even use another method to do it. I have used this method before also, so this time I am repeating the same method. As you can see, the lovely chicken roast is ready. I kept it for approximately 20 minutes. I had turned it over 10 minutes on one side and 10 minutes on the other side. I had baked it in the pressure cooker. It's looking delicious and it's tasting delicious as well too. Yeah, this is how it is looking. It's really tasting damn good, friends. I request you all to please do try this recipe. Next year is Christmas, New Year's. Please do try it out. In order to get much more tastier recipes, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. Take care. See you in another video. Bye.